In this video, I'll show you how to buy and send Bitcoin on MoonPay step by step. First, open the MoonPay app or MoonPay checkout inside a partner app or website, then log in with your email. Enter the verification code sent to your inbox. If it's your first time, complete KYC verification by submitting your basic details and ID so you can use card or local payment methods. To buy Bitcoin, tap Buy. Choose Bitcoin, BTC from the list of coins, then pick the fiat currency you want to pay with, and like USD or EUR. Enter the amount you want to spend. MoonPay will show you the estimated BTC you'll receive, the fees, and the exchange rate. Next, paste the Bitcoin wallet address where you want MoonPay to send your BTC or select a saved address if available. Double-check that it's a BTC address, not another coin or network. Then choose your payment method, card, Apple Pay, or local option, confirm the details, and complete the payment. Once the purchase is processed, MoonPay will send the Bitcoin directly to that wallet where you can later forward or send it to other BTC addresses whenever you need. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.